Here we have a 68 plate Mercedes-Benz A35 AMG 4MATIC Premium Plus. Now with this vehicle you've got the 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition, and how fantastic do they look. Silver calipers just behind with the AMG badging on. You've then got the mountain grey metallic exterior paintwork, and how fantastic does that look with the black accents and features around the vehicle. Coming to the front, of course, you've got the Mercedes badging in the centre, AMG badging to the right hand side. Coming around to this corner, you'll see your second 19-inch alloy wheel, again in excellent condition. There is a closer look at that. Taking a step back, turbo 4MATIC badging just above, black wing mirrors, chrome door handles, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. You've then got the panoramic glass sunroof, which is currently open. Coming to the rear, there's a closer look at your third alloy wheel. You've then got the spoiler just here, which really sets the back end off nicely, and how aggressive is that styling, especially with the rear black diffuser there and the dual exit exhaust, one on either side. Now let's open up the boot so you can see what kind of space you've got inside here. There we go, plenty of storage space inside. Of course, we can fold down the rear seats as well, with the buttons either side there should you want any additional storage space. Closing that up, you'll notice that the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. It's worth noting we've also got a front and rear parking sensors, as well as a reversing camera, and there is a closer look at your last alloy wheel. Heading on to the interior next, we've got the full leather interior, black and grey. Contrasting stitching throughout, ISO fixed points within the seats, fold down armrest in the centre, vents in the middle, storage nets behind the front seats. On the doors, we've got the integrated Burmester sound system, again continuing with that black and grey theme, and of course the contrasting stitching. Brushed metal handle, into electric window controls there too. Going on to the front, we've got that same full black and grey leather interior, and again, how fantastic do these seats look. Now not only do they look fantastic, they're also heated, as well as being electrically adjustable with the memory functions, unlock and lock button, brushed metal handle, power folding wing mirror controls, electric window controls and child lock for the rear. Auto light controls on your right hand side. You've then got the multifunctional flat bottom steering wheel with features like cruise control, speed limiter, etc. Let's step inside, start the vehicle up, foot on the brake, start button, and we are away. Like I mentioned, cruise control and speed limiter. You'll also find your paddle shifters for taking manual control of your gears. A touchpad on either side, one for controlling the screen ahead of you, or one for controlling the screen in the centre. Now we can actually customise various parts of the digital display here. For example, there we've got our navigation in the centre. You can also make that full screen like so as well. As well as that, you've then got different styles you can choose between. So if we go across to trip, for example, you can choose different dials here. As well as that, you've then got your different styles consisting of your classic, sport, super sport and understated, so you can really customize that to suit your style. Working our way into the center. Actually, before we do, we've of course got our heads up display, which will come up from just there. Unfortunately, you can't see that on the camera at the moment, but of course your eyes don't need to leave the road. There will be a photo of that on the advert as well. Satellite navigation in the center here. As well as that, you'll then find different dynamic driving modes consisting of slippery, individual, comfort, sport and sport plus. So again, you can pick and choose which driving mode best suits your driving style at the time. We've also got our reversing camera with our standard view, front and rear parking sensors, visual display, wide angle, and of course the parking assist on there as well. Now going back from there, if we go into the home screen, you've got phone connectivity for making calls. You've also got your DAB and FM radio. Comfort, consisting of seat kinetics, essentially relaxation through light seat movement. Ambient lighting there as well, with a huge array of colours to choose from. You can choose any of the colours you can see on the left hand side there, or of course you can go onto the multicolour and choose a theme like so. Back onto the home screen, you've then got your media consisting of Bluetooth for your Bluetooth audio from your mobile device, or of course USB. across, you've got various bits of driving data and performance analytics. If you go into vehicle there, you can access your braking and accelerator percentage, etc. You can make that full screen too. You've also got your engine output there in terms of horsepower, torque, etc. Plenty of great features and tech inside here. And talking of great tech, if we go into the assistance here in the settings, you'll see there we've got camera and parking, traffic sign assist, active lane keeping assist, the list goes on. It really is crammed full of great tech inside here. Working our way across, you'll also find the browser in your apps just there, and of course the store. Now working our way down, we've then got the fantastic looking gloss black trim with these events as well, and now these actually have the ambient lighting built within them too, a really nice feature on these cars. Of course, the dual zone climate controls with ice cold air conditioning. Below here, again, more gloss black trim. We've got more storage space, a USB-C connection point, and 2 good sized cup holders. Closing that up, you've got your touchpad, different shortcuts again for the infotainment screen. This is what I've been using to navigate the display during this demonstration, but it's worth noting it is also touchscreen like so as well. Going on down, you've then got your M button for manual control, and that'll basically make it so you can only use your paddle shifters to change gears should you be so well inclined. You've then got your traction control, soft touch leather armrest, which also doubles up as storage, and in there you'll find another USB-C connection point. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide delivery, competitive low finance, fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That is all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching.